Get your protractor and let's go draw this segment, or draw this line 4 to 1, like this, 4 to 1. At mark 2, place a point. Alright, when you lift that off, put your arrow this way, and let's label this point L. Let's go to M here. Alright, so here we are going to, okay, think of this. We're going to construct a 90 degree, and we're going to use a 60 and a 30 degree angle to do that with. So let's do our 60 degree angle construction. I'm going to construct a 60 degree. So if your opening for your compass needs to be adjusted, do that now. But we want M to L like this. Place your, and help hold this with your finger and mark an arc approximately. You should kind of get the hang of what a 60 degree mark would be. Alright, with your left hand, if you're comfortable with that, hold it with your other finger and mark an arc just enough to get an intersection. That's what we want right there. Alright, now let's go ahead and at that point of intersection, P. Okay, so this point is P. Go ahead and let's draw in our ray MP. Alright, so put your pencil at M, push up against it and line up to P, and draw that ray. Go ahead and get that drawn in. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing now, but on this side. Notice what I'm doing here. I'm placing my P in, point at M, going to P, and now I am going to make a 60 degree arc here, and then move my point at P here and intersect that. Okay, see what I did? Alright, so this would be a 60 degree. If I were to connect M to this point, I'd have a 60 degree angle. Well, I don't want that. I need you to kind of see that if I place the point here, or the compass here, and now bisect that angle like we did earlier when we bisected the angle, right? I have to mark an arc inside here, and then again at P. Maybe you can start switching over to your left hand, and hopefully you kind of get the feel of how this compass works. And now we have bisected this. If I were to draw in this ray, I would have this 60 degree angle, right? Half of that is 30. Let's go ahead and place a point right here. We're going to call this N. Alright, so let's go ahead and draw in this ray, MN. Hopefully you're getting the hang of using these tools. Alright, so this is a 90 degree angle. This entire, this big angle here is 90. So in other words, when you see a square in the corner, that's 90. Well, what did we do? We created a 60 degree angle here, and then we were in the process of doing a 60 degree angle over here, and then bisected it. So we bisected a 60 degree angle, creating a 30 degree angle here. All right, so this angle is 30, this angle is 60. There's my 90. Now name, this angle is 60. There's my 90. Now name the right angle. We can't just name it M, because M is going to be referencing too many angles, so we have to use 3. So I'm going to use my angle symbol and go LMN. I could say angle NML. Okay, those are the 2 ways to name that right angle. Okay, now name the acute angles. the 60, that is LMP, angle LMP, or PML, or angle PML. Those would be PMN, angle PMN, or angle NMP. NMP. M's got to be in the middle. All right. So name the acute angles. Now I want to name the adjacent angles. Okay. The adjacent angles are angles that have a common side. So let's go ahead and point to this again. Remember, this is the common side of the two angles that we named that were the acute angles. So the common side is here, and so I have these two angles. So these are, not only are they acute, they're also adjacent. So LMP, or angle PML. Guys, I'm looking around. I need you to be writing this down. PMN, or angle NM. That's a P. NMP. All right, those are the adjacent angles. Actually, it should be where it's LMP or PML. This angle, whether you name it this or this, is adjacent to these. Okay, adjacent to either this name or this name. Right? These are the adjacent angles. Complementary angles. Squeeze that in over here. All right, so the complementary angles. Well, what's complementary? These are angles two. Okay, two. Can't be more. Complementary is two only. It has two angles, not two or more. Two angles. Two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So angle LMP and angle PMN. Okay, these are complementary. Or you could say angle PML and, how did I name this? A NMP. Oops. Angle NMP. These are complementary. Okay, we'll stop there.